Hi there friends, welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen. This is Deepak Kshatriya and today I'm going to show you a easy simple chicken fry recipe. It's so easy, even a beginner can make, and it goes very well as a chakna with a light of a drink. In one hand have a drink, in another hand have this chicken fry, and the evening will be set and it will be damn delicious. So without much of it, let's see how to do this yummy and delicious chicken fry. And now let's see what the ingredients required for this. And the ingredients are a teaspoon of whole dhania, 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves, an inch of a cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamom, a half of a javitri, and a half a teaspoon of jeera, that's cumin. Guntur chilies nearly 8 to 10. You can adjust this according to your taste. 2 chopped onions, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, salt as per taste, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of chopped coriander, and a half a cup of curry leaves. Oil 3 tablespoons, half a kg of chicken. Now let's see how to do this. Here you can see I have taken nearly a half a kg of chicken. What I have done is I have washed this thoroughly 2 or 3 times with the water and added a little bit of turmeric and washed it again to just get rid of the foul smell. In this I will add the quarter teaspoon of turmeric, just a bit of a salt, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Give this a nice mix. You should massage this literally very good. You should give this a nice thigh massage. Just mix it well and allow this to rest for about 20 minutes. And we need to make a masala powder. For this I kept a pan to heat. I will add all the whole spices and this red chili. You can see I have taken a Guntur variety of red chili. If you want, you can change this with the badgi chilies, and we need to dry roast it. Now you can see all the spices are correctly roasted. Now let's take out in the plate. We'll allow this to cool completely and then we'll make a fine paste of it. And now let's do the fry. To this I've kept a kadai to heat and I'll add nearly 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil seems to be nice and hot. In goes the sliced onions. You need to saute the onions till it get golden brown. It will take anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes. No issues, do it. But it has to be a golden brown in color. Then only the gravy will taste as good as it will be. And now you can see the onions are actually turning golden brown. At this time we'll add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes away. And we'll add a half a cup of curry leaves. Look, the onions are perfectly fried, the ginger garlic raw smell also be gone, and now we'll add the marinated chicken and give this a nice mix. And don't add water, on a low flame allow this chicken to cook until it gets a milad effect. That's the outer layer of the chicken should be get red spots. So we'll close the lid and turn the flame to low and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on a low heat. And now it's been nearly 5 minutes. Let's open the lid. You can see here the chicken is oozed out all its moisture and it's cooking in its own fat and its own juices, and we didn't add a bit of a water even though the chicken has been cooked perfectly. Can you see here the chicken has got nice red spots? This is called a milad. So now it is perfectly done. There is no moisture present here. In this we'll add the remaining salt and the freshly made masala powder. We have added the masala powder, and what we need to do is we just need to keep on mixing it, keep scraping the bottom and keep on tossing and mixing it. This is the only thing what you need to do, and keep this doing for about 10 minutes. There is no other option for this. Keep on mixing it, keep on scraping and keep on mixing it. Then only a nice taste will arise. And now it's been nearly 10 minutes. Everything is cooked to a perfection. Chicken is also cooked to a tenderness. At this time we'll add some coriander leaves. Give this a final mix. And here you go, the beautiful and simple chicken fry is now ready. Just look at the color of this, how beautiful it is, and it's that easy to make also. I'm pretty sure if you have a drink with this, the evening will be totally worth it, and it's one of the best side dish for the drinks. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'm seeing a lot of you people are not subscribing to my channel. Please do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon and touch the notifications to all. Then only you will get all our awesome updates. So I'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaste.